So Cleopatra started in January 2014. When we started Cleopatra's, we were more of a manufacturing company. We manufactured homemade biscuits, South African dunking biscuits. From that, we found that we became more of a coffee shop and a bistro. So we've got a diverse range of customers, from cyclists to the local residents of Holt, and that's who Cleopatra's is. On the 23rd of March 2020, because of the coronavirus, that pandemic that came across the UK and of course the world, the government shut our establishment down to stop the spread of the virus. And we started finding new ways to try and bring some income into the business. We came across a way of manufacturing a pizza base, which we could vacuum pack, put it into a box which could be couriered to your house with all the toppings, the cheeses, the sauces, and basically you could have your own restaurant-style pizza in the comfort of your own home. So working with Coronafeirws has been an amazing experience for both Helen and myself. They were very instrumental in getting our product from a concept to an actual physical product. They're very hands-on, with the ability of them arranging meetings, one-on-one surgeries with the key people to get our brand conceptualized. It's been an amazing experience. And it's been great working with Charlotte and her team.
And their belief in us as well.
Their belief, and for a Welsh company, a startup Welsh food company, it's been nice to have their support behind us and work with us so closely. So on the finance side of it, it was very beneficial to have the expertise of Coronafeirws behind us. They introduced us to key people in the finance industry. We could definitely price our pizzas right, understand the cash flow process, and understand that would our business work in this economic time with the cost of the product versus the sale of the product, and how we would actually survive with the product in the market. When it came to branding, we were quite new to the whole concept of launching a new brand that was colourful, a brand that was modern and funky and creative. The intellectual property was very important to trademark, because what we didn't want to have happen was us do all the legwork and get a product to market and then find that somebody else has taken the name. And if we lost that trademark without taking care of the relevant documentation up front, we potentially could do a lot of work but not see the benefits in the long run. So in terms of the e-commerce of the website, it was quite important for us to have a website that people could get to and find it easy to navigate through. What we quickly identified and understood from the whole COVID-19 pandemic was that people that didn't ordinarily use online shopping suddenly started shopping online. And we needed to make that experience of the user going onto our website, picking the products that they wanted to buy and going to a cart and checking out as easy as possible. The future plans for our business, obviously, to get this as big as possible. We believe in the product. I think Coronafeirws believe in the product, and with them behind us and backing us and our own belief in what we have here, I think we're going to have a product that will talk to a lot of people. It's an honest product, it's a homemade product, there's no preservatives, no artificial colorants or additives. The box says what it is what it is, it's a pizza in a box. So the future of our business, it'll grow as big as we can grow, and hopefully allow us to employ more people to run with the business and see where it ends up.
And a huge thanks to Coronafeirws.
Yeah, massive thanks to Coronafeirws and everyone involved in getting this product where it is today.